Hey, Ann, you know what the sign means?
I don't know, why don't you try it?
I can't. It says danger, do not touch.
Come on.
Alright.
Hey Matt, would you hold this book for me?
Oh, sure thing, Maggie.
Did it do anything?
I don't think so.
Try it again.
Okay.
Try it again.
Maggie, what are you doing?
Oh Matt, I'm so sorry!
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Alright, dude. What is your problem?
My problem?
Can't you read? It says danger. Do not touch.
It doesn't do anything?
Okay, FYI, that switch turns Maggie into an enraged gang member, and she's been beating me up all day.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, man, I'm not.
Do it again.
No,
Do it
no,
again.
no.
What's up, yo?
Are you happy?